Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Naomi. If you're seeing me for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Alright, so today I'll be showing you guys how I've been able to clear my post-acne marks, and if you think this is something you're interested in, definitely do keep on watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not subscribed, and let's get into this video. I know this can be very frustrating, like almost everybody struggles with this, and yeah, I've come to show you guys some remedies on how to clear. The very first product I'll be introducing you guys to is the Neutrogena Rapid Clear 2-in-1 Fight and Fade Toner. This is what it looks like. Hope you guys can see it clearly. I know I'm already out. This product has helped me a lot. I've had it for about 2 years now, and this one comes in a size of 236 ml, so it's actually a pretty big product bottle. So I've been using this for the longest time ever. One thing I want to tell you guys before we even start off with anything about skin and how to clear post-acne marks: if you're having pimples on your face, if you're prone to oily skin, whatever it is, do not do this. Pinch your skin. Do not pop that pimple. No, please, God! Please. This cannot even be overemphasized, because you think you're actually helping yourself, you're not. The moment you go like this and you bring out that pimple, you're just hurting yourself, because after you take out the pimple, the spot is going to remain there, and it's going to take you longer time than normal to actually get rid of it. And the more you pinch, the more other pimples keep coming out. I don't know, but this is from my experience. I'm not a dermatologist or anything like that, but if you think you have really serious skin problem, I think you should visit your dermatologist. Now, these steps I'll be showing you guys are my steps and things that have worked for me, and I decided to share them with you guys. Hopefully, if you try them, they work for you. What this thing does is, first of all, it fights breakouts in under 8 hours, and it also fades the look of post-acne marks, which is really good for anybody that's struggling with pimples and post-acne marks. Like, it does the job. I think I got it for about 4,000 naira. I don't know how much it is right now. I'm just going to read some of the things at the back for you guys. Very important that once you get a product, you actually read the instructions to actually use the product right. All right, so the first thing here is that it's a 2-in-1 Fit and Fight toner, and is the first acne toner designed to reduce breakouts in just hours, plus it fades the look of post-acne marks for clearer and more even toned skin. And that's exactly what it has done to my face throughout the years I've been using it. And they also said the refreshingly clean formula dissolves away oil as micro clear technology speeds acne fighting medicine deep into pores to reduce pimple size, swellings, and redness in under 8 hours. I know, please don't drop off from this video right now if you think this is boring for you. It's actually very important to read instructions so that you will know how best to use any product. It doesn't matter, go through the manual, go through the leaflet, whatever it is that comes with the product, read so that you'll be able to know how to use the product well. And the first thing here, it says before you apply this product, is to thoroughly cleanse your skin first before using this product, you know, to cover all the affected areas with a thin layer 1 to 3 times daily. Acne scars do not have to be permanent. I hope you guys know that, because some people just walk around feeling like, oh well, this is my face now, there's nothing I can do about it. Yes, there's something you can do about it, right? Alright, so some home remedies and medical treatments can help get rid of them. I said that before. They didn't really say how long to leave it on your face, but they only said you can use it up to 2 to 3 times in a day, whichever one, however, or depends on you or how quickly you want to get rid of your post-acne marks. Me, I only do this like once a day, like in the mornings or at night when I'm about to sleep, so it totally depends on you. And yeah, so I'm just gonna let this dry down. So while the cleanser is drying down on my face, I want to show you guys the next home remedy products I also use to clear acne marks or just to make my face feel calm and lush. This is an aloe vera plant. If you guys don't know, I hope you know what this is. I just harvested this from my garden outside. I grow lots and lots of aloe vera outside my house. So yeah, I'm just going to cut this part of it out. So if you have dry skin like me, aloe vera should be one of your, you add it to one of your skincare routine you get. So I always do this. I use aloe vera gel all over my body and on my face. I think it's about time, so I'm going to wash off this product off my face and I'll be right back. Now that I've washed my face, I will just pat dry using a face towel. Now I'll get my aloe vera gel. I already cut off the sides. Sometimes I even do this on my hair as well, because it's actually really good for your hair too. Alright, so this is what I still have some gel on this, but now I'm just going to let it dry down completely. My face is already looking very light. Another thing about this product, because of the sacylic acid in it, it might make your face brighter just a little bit, so get ready for that. And yeah, this is pretty much everything I do to my face, and it has been working for me so far. And if you try it out, let me know down below in the comment section what other products you've been using to fight your post acne marks or take care of pimples. And yes, let's make this fun. And you guys, I also want to tell you, I've been meaning to film a question and answer session with you guys. Like, I want you guys to know me, like what I'm about, what I do, what I studied in school, how old you think I am, and all of that. And if you're not following me on Instagram, I'll leave my handle on the screen here. I have a poll on my Instagram story asking you guys to, you know, ask me questions so that we can actually film a question and answer session on this channel. So if you're interested, please follow me now and check that poll on my Instagram story before it disappears. So send in your questions. You can also leave them down below.
Don't worry, it's not corona.
In the comment section, what other questions you have for me, like what school did I finish from, where am I from, how many siblings do I have, you know, any question like that, just ask me, and I'll be here to film the question and answer session with you guys. So this is pretty much everything. So once this completely dries down on my face, I can leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes and then go and wash it off and just, you know, let my face breathe. So yeah, I hope you guys have been able to learn a thing or two from this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.